Hi, I'm Heather Principe. Um, I'm here at Three Elements with Erica in the moment, and we are getting ready to plan. We are planned for our new year coming up, and we're having an introduction to Polarity. A couple of weekends actually are available. I believe one's in the end of August, beginning of September, one in October. And we're going to introduce some Polarity therapy. Therapy is an energetic system of healing work that involves the thoughts, the mind, the emotional body, and the physical body. And we are going to have fun. We always have fun in our intro weekends. And for those of you who really enjoy yourselves and love the community, you'll meet all of the community here in those weekends. People who have been doing this for a while and people who are just beginning along with you. But for those of you who are interested, please come. We'll have some fun and we'll learn how to touch others in a healing way and maybe open up a little bit of something new for ourselves in our own lives.